There are three solutions for domestic charging that are more or less rapid depending on your use of your vehicle. Domestic charge with a Mode 2 charge cable that is compatible with a standard 8-ampere domestic socket. Full charge time will be 31 hours. Still, with the Mode 2 charge cable bit with a reinforced green-up maximum 16-ampere socket, the battery will be fully charged in less than 15 hours. Finally, rapid domestic charge with a Mode 3 cable requiring the installation of a 3.7 to 22 kilowatt rapid charge wall box. Charge time from 0 to 100% will then be 7 hours and 30 minutes for a single-phase 7.4 kilowatt wall box or 5 hours for a 3-phase 11 kilowatt wall box. This wall box can be installed at home by an approved installer. Go to our website if you want to choose one of our partners. This is how to proceed. To recharge your vehicle's traction battery, check that the speed selector is on mode P and the engine switched off. Next, you should first connect the Mode 2 cable to the domestic socket. When it is plugged in, all of the control box's lights will come on, then only the green power light will stay on. Next, press on the back of the charger flap to open it and ensure there are no foreign bodies on the vehicle's charge connector. A white light inside the charger flap will come on. Insert the pistol into the vehicle's charge connector. The lights inside the flap on the car and the charge light on the control box will flash green to indicate charge. If this does not happen, charge hasn't commenced. Please repeat the procedure and check that everything is correctly connected. At the same time, when the vehicle is plugged in, the following information will be shown on the head-up display. Battery status in percent, remaining range in kilometers, estimated charge time and charge speed in kilowatts per hour. After a few seconds, the head-up display will enter sleep mode. The information can be displayed again by unlocking the vehicle or opening a door. Proceed in the same fashion with the green-up plug. The battery will be fully charged in less than 15 hours. Deferred charge settings are managed via the touchscreen. To do this, in the Energy application on the touchscreen, select the Charge tab. Select the charge start time and validate by pressing OK. The settings are memorized in the system. Deferred charge settings can also be managed using the My Citroën application on your smartphone. Charge completion is indicated when the green light on the control box and the green lights in the flap stop flashing. A red light in the flap indicates that the pistol is locked. To unplug the pistol from the charge connector, unlock the vehicle if it is locked. If your vehicle is unlocked, lock it, then unlock it. To charge your vehicle with the Mode 3 charge cable with a 22 kilowatt maximum accelerated charge wall box, proceed in the same fashion as previously explained. Charge time will be 7 hours and 30 minutes with a single-phase 7.4 kilowatt wall box or 5 hours with a 3-phase 11 kilowatt wall box. Finally, never use the charge cable with an extension cable, power strip, conversion adapter, or with a damaged electric socket.